Hey, Bruno.
2 slices of pepperoni and any information you might have about the light of Zortha.
Please, whoever you are, don't hurt me.
Where's the light, Ben?
I don't know what you're talking about. Please, let me down, ma'am.
When I put a robbery.
There. Noise. Kitchen.
Oh.
You idiots see anything?
Wind blew the door open. Nothing out of the ordinary.
For 25 years, I've traveled the universe looking for it, but it never left Earth, did it, Ben? You kept it here.
What are you talking about?
I'm running out of time. Where's the light of Zartha?
I swear I don't know what you're talking
Listen,
about.
Zarthan, you hid the light on Earth, and I will find it. Once we have the light, Zartha will be ours.
You're too late. Tomorrow at midnight, the light will leave the third planet and be back home. Sorry you made the trip for nothing.
Got nothing out of him. Now we don't know if it's on Earth or not.
He said third planet. It's here, you idiot.
Third rock from the sun.
I never got that till now.
It's on Earth, and I know who's gonna tell me where it is.